Another package after my month-long trip to Chile. Odyssey phone carrier. I'm gonna use this later for video review, and I was actually thinking about this while skiing because I'm always afraid of losing the phone. So this one has a strap. This is aviation-grade aluminum alloy, 25 feet shockproof, so you can drop it, I guess. I'm not gonna try it, but it says it can do that. It has a magnetic 360 stand guard, so it looks like a really good product. I'm gonna, let's see, oh, here's my phone. Let's do a little bit of unpacking here. I have this one from Just Fun, which has been really good, but let's try this one. Obviously perfect fit. It also have this stand to put it, to use it as a, to watch videos or whatever. Let's see what else is in here. Anything else? I don't think so. So these guards, if you lose them, you can replace them, I guess. That's what I'm seeing here. Wow, they use super glue here or something. Even they put some protection here. So you put it here. There you go, here. And this way you can carry it. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to read the instructions for this, but it says you can drop it 25 feet. I'm not gonna try that, but it looks really like a good product. So I am going to walk Simon, my neighbor's dog. I do that every day when I'm here, and I'm gonna use this strap to hold the phone. It's gonna be very practical to take pictures and everything, so that way I'm sure he will never fall, and I have access to it at all times. So let's go and get Simon. So here we go. So there's Simon, silver lab dog, 2.5, almost 3 years old. He loves walking while I'm on the bike. He can do 3 miles every day. And again, while having the phone here on the strap, I mean, not that it's safe to ride and have the phone, but now if I drop it, it's not gonna fall, and I can use it to take video of Simon walking by me. Otherwise it will be difficult. So there you go. Pretty nice product. I might use it also when I go skiing, riding a motorcycle, anywhere where you go and you want quick access to your phone, you just have it there. So another benefit or another use for this strap, obviously you have to reverse it. You can turn on the light, maybe not to see that far away, but to be seen by cars that are coming on the opposite direction in these very dark sections where there's no street lighting. So another use of this phone strap. There you go, there's a car coming, and because of my light here, they saw me, they switched lights, acknowledging that I'm coming by. So it works. You just saw the practical demonstration. Now an e-bike is coming. Same thing, they can see me, I can see them. We are all safe with it. What do you think, Simon? You like it? I think he does. So we're back with Simon and the phone strap. This was a good experience. Again, it's not safe to be using your phone while driving, riding a bike, a motorcycle, a scooter, anything, but if you have it here, it's much safer because it's not gonna drop. You're not gonna have that accident. But pay attention to the road. and use your phone whenever it's safe. So I like the product. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep using it while I go out. Ooh, it's gonna start raining, so I better hurry up. Bye, good night. There he is. He's done walking.